Hey guys, Peyton here. Today I'm bringing you 3 more pack openings today. So let's get started with Theros. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so we have Gainsay, Evangel of Heliod, Flamecast Wheel, and oh, no way. Nice. Alright, so we have an Elspeth Suns champion. Awesome. Alright, I haven't gotten one of these yet, so sweet. Definitely first pick. Awesome. Alright. It's a good way to start it off, so obviously, Elspeth first pick. I'm not going to read everything off for you guys, but sweet. Yeah. Alright, sweet. Well, I'm kind of speechless right now, but anyway, next pack. Alright, sweet. So, there we go. Read the Bones is pretty good. Alright, Mogus's Marauder, Horizon's Scholar, Farika's Mender, and Temple of Deceit. Not bad. Ooh, and a Boar token. Okay. So the money card is obviously Temple of Deceit. Read the Bones is actually really good. I don't know a lot. I honestly don't know a lot of these cards. I think I would probably actually go with Read the Bones just because it's a pretty good card. Yeah. Sorry if like there's some card that's like an obvious first pick, but I'm just not seeing it. But yeah, I'd probably go Read the Bones. Besides Temple of Deceit, if you're going money, which I usually do. I'm that guy. But yeah. So next pack, Elspeth. We haven't got any foils yet. That'd be nice. Alright. So, Battle-Wise Valor. I'm not going to read all these off. Oh, Omen Speaker. Okay. Sedge Scorpion's pretty good. Traveling Philosopher, I actually kind of like. It's okay. I mean, it's just plain 2-drop for 2/2. But anyway, Phalanx Leader, definitely a great card. Peak Eruption, Satyr Piper, and Swan Song. Alright, so first pick, probably not, definitely not Swan Song. Between Phalanx Leader and Omen Speaker. Depends what you want to go with. This is a hard choice. I think I might go Phalanx Leader. Yeah, Phalanx Leader. Just because when you cast an instant or sorcery on it, it gives all your creatures 1/1, so pretty sweet. First pick is Phalanx Leader, and we got Swan Song for our rare. So, for the 3 rares we got a mythic rare, of course. So we have Temple of Deceit, Swan Song, and Elspeth. So yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my pack openings today. Yeah, so if you did, leave a like down below and a comment, and then make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.